Welcome back, YouTube. It's been a long time coming. Got a new GoPro. We out here on the kayaks. We out here on the kayaks today. Me, Thad, Jaquez. All right, boys. There's a lot of bait fish out here. You got one? Oh my God. He got one. I got one too. Double up. Oh, he got off. Hey, I just tossed it out there and let it sit on the bottom. Got a little curly tail worm. Yeah. Dang, boy, that was my first fish. I know I got it on GoPro. I got to. We lost our second fish of the day, so hopefully we can make up with it and actually hit one on the kayak. Hopefully. That storm rolling in, boys. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's coming. It's definitely coming. Get in the boat. Get in the boat, boy. First fish of the day, boys. Good one. Now we probably gotta leave. Yeah, I'm fishing right now. I'm on the kayak.
Oh, okay, take care.
All right. Second one in the boat. Oh yeah, that's a big one, boy. Rooster tail. That's what's up. How about a 3-pounder? Give or take. Jaquez just landed him a fish, boys. Hey, Thad. Welcome back to Mod the Angler. This is day 2. We're with Ass, yes. And queef. Today, we gonna get back on the water with the yaks. I just hooked it to one right here on the bank that was busting, but we just gonna keep it moving, guys. I'm gonna see y'all out there. Let's get it done. I had one bite earlier, waiting on them to come from the parking lot off this little swim bait, 360 swim bait. I actually had one, then he had let it go. Got him. Oh. What the? Boys, I know y'all seen that. I had a nice one too. Son of a gun. Get in the boat. Somebody say pig. First fish of the day, boys. Officially. The biggest one of the day. Get him back in. Bye, little guy. Who? You bag our ass up. You got down ramming into my ass, got me goddamn going in. Face ass. Got one. The worm, that pink and curly tail. Stay still, baby. Oh, he got off. Second one of the day. That boy back there tying up. Another one for the day, boys.
This is what you using right here.
Yeah. And I'm using a stand-up jig, but the way your jig set up with that blue, oh, he had a blue worm on, yeah, it'll work on that too. Got one. Let's go. The worm I've been using. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Everybody catching bass. That's all I care about. You know what I mean? There's a fish. Yeah. Oh, slappy ass. Come out. Where you going? Ain't that? Where you at? If you ain't on the lake, where you at? Another one. They on that tree. Fix your worm, you had one. Yeah guys, today I just want to say I got a bite. Ooh, get in the boat. Ain't that? If you ain't on the lake, where you at? You ain't trying to get no little ones. You ain't trying to get any. I think that's number 4 or 5, guys. I can't really remember. Oh, I got him through the eyeball. Well, you're gonna be blind now. Sorry, lad. 18 inches. There's a lot of minnows and stuff right here in this covert. I don't know if you can see it. That's a lot of them. Might be brim or something. But for that bite, I felt him nip at it and let it go. So I had I just let him took it, and I seen that line moving. Once I seen the line start to get tight. Huh? You on one? Get him in. You talking about Maud? Get him in. That's a big one. Oh, you playing with it. You're supposed to keep pressure on him. Sorry guys, I haven't been talking to y'all much, but at this time, I would like to say that if you're watching this video and you're this far along, can you please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if not already subscribed. They bust a little bluegill out here on the bank. Wonder if I can grab him before you get back in the water. They busted him. He just sitting right here on the bank. They looking at him. It's a little bass. Oh, they're hitting him. Oh, he got back in. You see it? Oh, they ate him. Oh, they're trying to. It's a little bluegill. He was trying to hide from that bass. You catch any in that cove? Just one?
No, just little ones. I start throwing the chatterbait.
Yeah, there's a lot of baby bass in here. Look at him, hitting my line and shit. You see him?
Yeah, they're doing that in mine.
This looked like a baby bass, low key. Oh my God. That's concrete. That's dirt. All right.